In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to animate on Google Slide, or how to animate or add animation on Google Slide on your iPad. So since guys animation does not support on your iPad Google Slide app, you can do one thing here. You can open Google Chrome and open the Google Slide in your browser. Now from here guys, you can add your animation. So like right now I'm the first page of my slide, and to add animation just hold your, like if you want to add the animation to this text, just hold this block. So here you will find this animate option. Just tap on it, and here you will find options of animating your block on your iPad in Google Slide. Like you can add what kind of and transition you want. Like I want a dissolve, apply to all slide. You can apply in just one click, and you can also choose mode of animation when you want your animation to be appear, like on click. You can choose on click, after previous, or with previous. And you can also choose by paragraph. It helps a lot guys. And once you're done with this, just click on play button, and the animation you will have the animation. Like if you tap on your screen, you will have an animation. So this is how guys you can do it on your iPad. You can do it on your iPad in a browser, or add animation in browser on the Google Slide, but Google Slide on iPad does not support animation. So yep, subscribe for more videos.